the Lani Makana Ohana Jewelry Club has a new box and a new name. Let's see what changes are inside the box. Hi and welcome to our channel. My name is Tracy. Chloe and Bandit are with me right now, but if you're new, welcome. Thanks so much for checking us out, and if you're returning, thank you so much for being a part of our YouTube family. So this is the Ohana Beach Box. It used to be the Lani Makana Ohana Jewelry Club, and is now the Ohana Beach Box, probably because most of us couldn't pronounce it right. I'm sure I just pronounced it incorrectly. So it's got a new look. Let's see what's inside. All right, there is your sneak peek. There's a little card that says, "The waves of the sea help me get back to me." And then this is their March box. So I did get it today, and I'm filming on April 5th. So it just came in. It was late. This has kind of been an ongoing thing. I mean, I get so many boxes in, it doesn't really bother me as long as I'm getting it. But that may be an issue for someone who, you know, maybe doesn't get a lot of different boxes and they're relying on it. Like, I don't know. So anyway, let's look and see what was inside this month. There is a little card that says the Ohana Jewelry Club is now Ohana Beach Box. New name, same beach inspired fun. Each themed box has 5 or more fun beachy items, including jewelry, accessories, bath and body, home decor, and more, and the box value is always $65 or more. Okay, so right on top is a tea towel, and it's made out of that material that doesn't, the flour sack, so it doesn't leave like a lot of residue behind, so I do like that. This is by C&F. Love, love, love it. And these can run pretty expensive. Next, by Bella Bear, is the Tropics Face Mask. It's meant to brighten, tighten, and escape to the tropics. By Lani Makana. This is just like a little decorative piece that I'll put in my office because my my private practice office has a beach theme to it because I'm by the beach. So beautiful. Look at that star. Starfish. Couldn't come up with, I've been losing words this week, I don't know. There is this cute little tray to put like maybe rings or small earrings in. Gorgeous. Our jewelry. Usually there's 2 pieces of jewelry. I only see 1 this time. I don't know if that's a change, that you're only going to get 1 piece of jewelry. Yeah, it does say just the 1. And these are sea pottery inspired clay earrings. Beautiful, beautiful pattern though. The trinket dish is made out of resin. So, or it says resin trinket dish, but I'm wondering if it's the whole, could be the whole though, I don't know. Okay, so I don't know, I'm hoping that we continue to get the 2 pieces of jewelry. That's kind of the whole reason I get this box. I am still paying legacy prices. So a new subscription does go for a bit more, but I do love the jewelry. So again, I get it for the jewelry mostly. So I'm hoping they go back to sending out the 2 pieces of jewelry, which is usually a necklace and earrings, or earrings and a bracelet, or something like that. For me, that's just a preference. Everything in here was nice, but I do kind of prefer the 2 pieces of jewelry over some of the other stuff. Okay, that's my Lani Makana box. Let me know your thoughts. Please consider hitting that like, subscribe, and notification bell if you like this kind of content, because this is the kind of thing we do. Some unboxings and unbaggings, mystery boxes, collaborations, some beauty, all kinds of fun stuff like that. Thank you so much, and hopefully I'll see you soon.